feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
I'm going to show you everything that I purchased from Ball Pit Nails. I took advantage of their Memorial Day sale and I purchased 5 individual colors and then 1 collection. I will swatch everything in this video. So the first 5 colors, I'm going to swatch them first because they're just individuals. I just went through the site and picked out 5 colors. And then I got this collection right here, which is the Vault collection. And this is all of their limited edition colors in 1 collection. And this is permanent. I'm going to swatch everything on these little swatch sticks here that go into my swatch book. I've shown this book before. I will link it below. I already created the labels. I also showed this label maker before, but I'll link it below again. Let's get to the swatches. So first I'm going to swatch the first 5 colors that I got. Like I said, they're all part of the individual collections, but I just went through and I picked out 5 colors that I really liked, and then I got the 1 Vault collection, which actually comes with a swatch card, and that's pretty cool. So the whole reason for me with picking up some items from Ball Pit Nails is because I was looking for some shades that are different from what I have already in my gel polish collection. I didn't want just like solid red and blue and green and pink. You know, I wanted some fun colors, and I think Ball Pit Nails, they are one of the only like gel polish brands that have really fun and unique colors. This color right here, Monster Fur, I have been wanting this color for so long and I finally just went ahead and got it. If you look closely, I tried to get a good shot of it, but it looks like there's hair in the polish. So it's like, it's Monster Fur. I think this would be great for some Halloween themed nail sets. I'm really excited to use this in a set. I just kind of have to think about what to do with it. So if you have any ideas, then let me know in the comments. And if you've ever purchased anything from this brand, let me know, what did you buy and if you like the brand in itself. So let me know in the comments because I would love to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I have a few more hauls coming up and a giveaway. I'm just waiting for everything to come in. This color right here is called Space Junk, and it's probably the color that I was the most excited for. I've seen so many swatches of this color and it always looks amazing. And the swatches, they're like in real life, it looks great. I really love this color. It's like a confetti polish. It has pinks, purples, blue, green confettis, and little star confettis in it as well. It is very pretty. I think it will look great on top of a color. So let me know, what base would you use underneath this? This is another color that I've been excited to get. This color was out of stock on their website for so long. She re-released this color with a new collection, the Spring Confetti collection. And this polish bundle, they're all the same colors, but the base color is different. And they are HEMA and TPO free. Now, all of her polish collections that was released after this one, so this collection and all the polishes, I don't know about the art gels, but just the polishes released after this collection will all be HEMA and TPO free. So if you've ever wanted to try Ball Pit but you didn't want to try it because HEMA or anything like that, then now is your chance to try it. All of her new polishes will all be HEMA and TPO free. I do not know if she will be reformulating any of her old polishes. So this collection right here is called the Vault. It sold out so fast when it first came out, then it came back out as a pre-order and now it's back permanently. This collection is all of her limited edition polishes. So every time she releases a collection, she always releases a limited edition polish with it, and 8 times out of 10 the limited edition polish, it sells out first. Like the single polish, it'll sell out first. So some of these have been sold out for a really long time. She decided to bring all of the colors back, put it in a collection, and this is permanent. You can also buy them individually if you want. So because I was looking for some colors that were different from what I already have in my collection, this was the perfect collection to buy because all of the limited edition colors are just different. Like they have fun glitters or cat eyes and things like that, and I just thought it would be perfect. So I'm just swatching them on these little swatch sticks. I already made the labels, and this is the base for my lamp. Because it's magnetic, I'm just going to swatch everything, put it on the base, and then cure everything all together. This color right here, Magic Grass, is one of my favorites out of this collection. It looks like grass, of course, and it is so pretty. It's kind of like the first color that I showed, Seance, but Seance was black and this one is green. This color would be so fun for some cute summer nail sets. Maybe paint like a summer design on top, maybe a sun and some flowers. I think it would be really cute. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the swatches. Don't forget to let me know which color is your favorite. Let me know if you've ever tried the brand before and what do you have from the brand if you ever tried it. With this haul, I also got their white painting gel, but I don't think I showed it in this video, but I did get the white painting gel as well. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video.
High volume, high volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. It's the way they paint it. Love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let on talk, but it bothers me. 'Cause didn't love, didn't come they see. But it ain't nothing to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall?
Is it a crime? Call it a crime, no. 'Cause if not in this job, then you're my prisoner. So let me throw away this key, 'cause you won't give me up. Let 'em know we don't give a fuck. All they want is to see us break it up. Took a search for 7 seas and never find one. A heart like mine, better yet, can forget my mind. Some nights say a girl shouldn't lay the cards on the table, but I'm a woman, I'm not a girl. Is that a crime in this cruel world?
And so what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's into you? Is it a crime? So what? I fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's into you? Is it a crime?
Lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. Put 'em up, It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, then give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then, you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian.
that's all my swatches. That's the haul video from Ball Pit Nails from their Memorial Day sale. As I said before, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the brand before and what items do you have from them. I also got their white painting gel. For some reason I didn't show it in this video. I don't know why, but I did show it when I hauled this on TikTok. So if you follow me on TikTok, then you already saw all these colors. But thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to. And if you want to, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember what I said, that all of their new collections from here on out for their polishes, I don't know about their painting gels, but their polishes for Ball Pit Nails will be HEMA and TPO free. I am not sure if they're going to reformulate their old polishes, but they just released a collection last Friday and it is like these jelly candy colors and it is HEMA and TPO free. So if you've been wanting to try out their polishes but you've been wanting to do something that is HEMA free, then definitely check it out. It probably has HPMA in it, I'm not sure, but you can probably contact them for the SDS sheet. But yeah, so just be mindful of that even though it's HEMA free, it might have HPMA in it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you or you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.
Been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Like this sound